Van Andel Institute for Education is a proud partner of School News Network. Find engaging programs for students and professional development and tools for teachers delivered in person, virtually, or blended. Learn more at vaei.org.
My job, I think, is really special. Normally during the school year, I'm leading field trips through the exhibits. We're doing lots of hands-on investigative work. During this school year, we've been doing lots of virtual programming, so still making sure that we're able to get our materials and knowledge out into the public. Just this year, we've started an after-school program. We have 2 different sections. On Tuesdays, it's all about STEAM and science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And then on Wednesdays, we have museum exploration. For that, we've been traveling back in time, thinking a little bit about the past Grand Rapids. Today's focus is all about discovering the first people of this place. So we're going to be learning about the Anishinaabe, who have lived here for hundreds of years and still live here today. We'll be thinking more about their culture in the past and the present, and then also connecting it to our very own personal culture or cultures as well.
Well, I brought my son Charlie, and he's here to engage in the museum activities, and we just thought it was a cool opportunity to really get like the behind-the-scenes look at the things that go on here at the museum and taking a deeper dive into some of the exhibits and getting like hands-on.
Do you know why birch bark would be such a good material to use for like a canoe?
Birch bark actually does float.
And it doesn't let the water get in, right? It's actually kind of waterproof. Very good observation. Do they all look the same?
No. I feel like they're really cool because this one has porcupine quill.
I think it's very interesting. It's cool to learn how something way back and people still know about it today.
You never know just what you want to be when you grow up, so it's interesting to kind of get a look at a lot of different things and maybe expand your horizons.
Safety is definitely a top priority and concern for us. So every single student has individual materials that they use. We also are practicing social distancing. We're doing health screenings as soon as the students arrive, and every single student, as well as myself, have been wearing masks throughout the program.
So this is open to any students aged 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade. So we've got homeschool learners, we've got students from lots of our public and private schools in this community. And we try to make sure they are incorporated with educational standards that would be covered in school, but do it with a special twist that'll make it fun and memorable for the kids. We wanted to provide a wide range of resources this year. So we have everything from free downloadable resources. We've also got exhibit tour videos of our core exhibits. We've got scavenger hunts for our digital collection. We're offering this, and we're also offering in-person opportunities for people who are interested in coming to visit the museum.